Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. I'm here to talk to you about my do-it-yourself ring light. And since I'm just a starter here sa YouTube, I don't have any equipments yet na bonggang-bongga na magagamit ko for filming. So, gumawa kami ng do-it-yourself ring light. And if you would like to know more, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe! Setup. Actually, wala pa tong background. Still in the process ng pag-design ng background. So, pagtsagaan muna natin. Ayan ang aming setup. Actually, this is an office table na binili namin yesterday sa SM, sa office warehouse. And then, ito yung setup ni Daddy ng kanyang computer and PS4. Now, this is the ring light I'm talking about na do-it-yourself. So, this is actually a lamp. Yung pinakita ko kagabi, or yung nag-haul ako, this one, the Akari Junior Kids Safe Study Lamp, which is only for $499.75. So, to for 500, you have a lamp, a cute lamp actually. That's why I chose this. It's kid-friendly and bagay na bagay siya sa office table na nabili namin. Meron pang price, hindi ko pa natanggal. And then, we bought this lamp, the circular lamp, which is only 290 pesos ata, I think. And it's it's Firefly. Ayun. It's Firefly, 32 watts, electronic circular lamp. And then we bought that socket, para mag-connect doon sa lalagyan ng bulb doon sa lamp. So, instead of buying a ring light that cost usually about 3,000 to 5,000 pesos, na hindi ko naman kailangan ng malaking, the setup na ganun kamahal, especially nag-start pa lang kami. So, we have done this do-it-yourself ring light setup. So, ayan, happy naman ako sa result and it's very sturdy. Yan, hindi naman siya bumabagsak or something. And super cute lang niya. And then, in front of it, ilalagay ko lang yung cellphone dito or yung camera, yun, makakapag-film na ako. Ayan, I'm so happy with this one. So, sana natuto rin kayo kung paano gumawa ng do-it-yourself ring light. Ayan. That's it for our do-it-yourself ring light. It only cost 850 pesos. So, if you would like to watch more of these videos, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell button for more videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye!